Hi, Pete White here, Herbitual founder. I created Herbitual for anyone like me who has dry, sensitive, or eczema-prone skin, and anyone like you who might be struggling to find products that bring meaningful relief. Herbitual uses a proprietary blend of 9 Chinese herbs known for their anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties and their ability to reduce itch, irritation, and redness. We put these powerful healing herbs in a skin protectant cream to create a protective layer over your skin, keeping the good stuff in and the bad stuff out. You can use Herbitual Atopic Skin Defense as a targeted treatment for persistent troubled spots, or you can use it every day as your daily moisturizing ritual. Herbitual is steroid-free, free from harsh chemicals, and safe enough to use on the most sensitive or delicate skin. Herbitual Atopic Skin Defense not only hydrates your skin barrier, it also nourishes and protects it, giving it the optimum conditions for meaningful change.